Welcome back my YouTube channel, BK Wheel 2024. Today we're diving into the beast that is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. This truck isn't just for getting groceries, it's for conquering trails, turning heads, and leaving a cloud of dust in your wake. So, let's fire up the engine and see what this Tacoma is all about. 2024 Tacoma TRD Sport is the middle child of the Tacoma family, sitting between the base senior and the hardcore TRD off-road. But don't let the sport moniker fool you, this truck is packed with capability. It boasts a throaty 3.5-liter V6 engine that pumps out 272 horsepower and 265 pounds-feet of torque, mated to a smooth-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. This combo delivers thrilling acceleration and enough grunt to tackle even the most challenging terrain. But the muscle doesn't stop there. The TRD Sport comes equipped with Bilstein A-registered performance shocks, giving you superior control and handling on both paved and unpaved roads. Plus, with its 16-inch TRD alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, you can confidently navigate through sand, mud, and rocks without breaking a sweat. Let's face it, even an off-road beast deserves to look good. And the 2024 Tacoma TRD Sport doesn't disappoint. Its aggressive hood scoop, smoked headlights, and black TRD exhaust tip scream adventure. The bold grille and Tacoma lettering leave no doubt about your truck's heritage. And let's not forget the vibrant color options like electric lime green and lunar rock. You'll definitely stand out from the crowd. Interior is all about comfort and functionality. The black Softex A-registered trimmed seats with TRD stitching are grippy and supportive, perfect for holding you in place during those wild rides. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels great in your hands, and the touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay A-registered and Android Auto Ascents keeps you connected and entertained wherever you roam. 2024 Tacoma TRD Sport isn't just about show, it's about going the distance. Its locking rear differential helps you maintain traction on loose surfaces, and the multi-terrain select system lets you adapt your driving mode to conquer any condition, from sand to rock to mud. Plus, with its impressive approach angle, departure angle, and breakover angle, you can tackle even the steepest obstacles with confidence. So, if you're looking for a truck that can handle your daily commute, weekend getaways, and off-road excursions with equal aplomb, look no further than the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. It's the perfect blend of power, capability, and style, making it the ultimate all-terrain playground for the adventurous soul. Thanks for joining me on this virtual test drive of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. If you're considering this truck, I highly recommend taking one for a spin yourself. You'll be amazed at what this machine can do. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic truck adventures on my YouTube channel. See you next time.